wanted to use this opportunity to reach out to our customers, our partners, and our ecosystem on our preparedness to handle COVID-related exigencies. And what are the things that we are doing at our end to ensure that it is going to be business as usual, BAU, as far as your deliverables and your requirements are concerned. So I'll break it down into three. One is related to what we do with our employees, what we are doing with our process, and what we are doing with our customers. So let's come back to the employees first. We have identified the set of employees who can mandatorily or who will be able to work from home or work from a remote location of their choice, and they have been enabled with the relevant tools and technologies so that business can go uninterrupted. Okay. So depending on various groups in our company have already done the analysis, and that has been rolled out. Before I come to the customers, what we have been proactively doing for the last 3-4 months, it was not related to COVID, but in a way it helped us. We actually had implemented an enterprise-wide tool called Clarify One, which ensured that each of our employees are connected to a single platform and they work out of the single platform, right from a requirement coming into a sale discussion, to an implementation discussion, to an architecture, to a roadmap. All that is working on a single cloud. So now we have complete traceability from any one of these to what is being done individually at any employee level. Okay. We are also enabling this platform to our key customers so that they are also looped in and they get a complete visibility of various processes, projects, and customizations and implementations that we are working in. So this was one of the key decisions that we did a couple of months back, which is helping us out. The second thing is we also have enabled key engineering managers and key people managers, and they were already working out of an off location for at least 80% of their time. So this was done way back in November, December. It was done for our BCP related activities, nothing to do with COVID, because we wanted to ensure that our show still goes on. So this also has helped us, because now we have our key managers, especially the engineering managers, who are able to manage far away workforce and get things done, and this was already in place for quite some time now. So these two things ensured that we can manage situations like COVID better. That's the bit of process that we have done, and our technology team, our architecture team, our customization implementation team, they have all worked together and they have created a BCP plan considering all these things in place. So that goes about our process. With respect to our customers, now because we have managed our people, we have managed our process better, you can be rest assured that the show goes on, the show goes uninterrupted. All the deliverables that you are looking forward from us is completely on track, will be on track, and will be managed on track. There could be two potential impact, not just for us, like everybody else in the software industry. One is we might not be able to travel and have face-to-face meetings. For that, we are recommending all our partners and our prospects and customers to use WebEx and the remote meeting facilities to the maximum. In fact, we are already doing our detailed requirement gatherings for some of the new deals that we have closed recently, completely sitting off-site, whereas the bank's team is working on a complete remote location. So this is the high-touch areas where we need your help so that we can do that, and just like everybody else in the industry is doing it. So that's one area we will require a bit of support, where people need to travel to your location or not. That can be managed. The second area where we need your help is some customers have our employees with them working from their locations. Now that's a contractual obligation. Now this will be handled by working with the customer because their life and their deliverables is completely in control and aligned with what the customer's location policies are. If the bank's location policies mandates that such a person needs to be available 24/7, and it's not just us, somebody else also would have been of the bank would also be required to do that. We will just mimic exactly the same set of processes. I want to reiterate once again on behalf of our entire management committee that we have got you covered. We are there, show goes on uninterrupted. There will be a little bit of hiccups, but those are all well prepared for. Thank you very much. Looking forward to managing times like these very efficiently, and you can still see the customer experience way of doing things delivered to you. Thank you very much.